Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with the super cute idea of making the Trinket cup stand, which is actually I have converted into magnet, and here I will show you how to create this frame using popsicle sticks, how to create these super cute mugs, and how to arrange everything with this colorful bright composition. Isn't it looking super cute? So you can decorate your kitchen, you can gift it to your mom or any child lover. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I am taking 1.8 cm wide ice cream stick. So first I am chopping one corner to make it straight. And then using my ruler I am creating the marking on 7.5 centimeters and cutting it using scissor. Now taking the sandpaper and sanding both the sides to make it smooth. And with the same method, I have prepared total 7 sticks. Now it's time to create our frame. So here I am taking B7000 glue and start arranging the sticks like this. So here I am making the shelf. That's why connecting one stick vertically and 2 sticks horizontally. And we have to repeat it for one more time. Then covering the left and right sides. And this is done. Now to connect other sides, here I am taking 6 cm long same size stick, connecting from both the sides. Then taking here 1.8 cm by 1.6 cm ice cream stick or popsicle stick and connecting it inside the shelf to divide it in 9 equal parts. Similarly connecting 4 more, and after attaching all the sticks, our frame is ready or our shelf is ready, nice and finished from all the sides, and it's ready to color. So to color the base, here I am taking gold acrylic color and I am coloring the outer area and also the edge of all the shelves using gold paint. So this is done, and then I have decided to color the inner partitions of the shelf using different shades. So all 4 corners of the shelf I am coloring with yellow acrylic color. So just completing remaining parts. Then the top and the bottom centers I am coloring with green acrylic color. Then left and right shelves I am coloring with blue acrylic color. And the center shelf I am coloring with red acrylic color. And this is completely ready. So our base for trinket cups is completely done. The base is nice and finished and completely dried. Now it's time to create the mugs or coffee cups or tea cups. So here I am taking handmade cold porcelain clay. This is the air dry clay. Just taking a small amount of clay on my palm, just roll it like this on the surface to create the small pipe. Flatten the top and the bottom using acrylic block. Roll it again to extend the shape. And then taking any kind of round brush which is having round surface on the bottom to create the dent inside the cup so that it will look like it is having cavity to fill the tea or to fill the coffee. Like this. Then to create handle, taking again clay, rolling it on the surface, making a small pipe, taking very small amount of the pipe and connecting on a cup using glue. So it will be the ear of the cup. Like this. So our cup is completely dried. I have kept it for 24 hours to dry completely. Now I am coloring the inner part using tea color. To create the tea color, here I have mixed yellow with little bit of brown and very little bit of white. So I'm just filling the inner part like this, and then outer part I am covering with baby pink color. So all the mugs and cups I am covering with baby shades or pastel shades like baby pink, light yellow, baby blue and the pista green. Now it's time to create the design or the texture on the mug. So here I am taking red acrylic color and making small hearts randomly here and there to decorate the cup. Now the another cup which is yellow, light yellow, I am creating a small dots using ball tool using dark acrylic color. This is the dark yellow acrylic. Then the pista green color I am decorating with small leaves design using dark green acrylic color. And the light blue cup I am decorating with dark blue acrylic color stripes. Like this. And after doing the coloring work and creating the texture work, I am varnishing all my cups using sealer. So here I am taking glossy varnish. It will give nice shine to your mug and it will look like the bone china made cups. Like this. In this way I have prepared 4 yellow, 2 blue, 2 green and 1 pink color mugs. All are filled with tea, and now it's time to arrange the cups inside the frame. So the yellow part I am covering with yellow mugs, similarly green with green, blue with blue and red with pink color mug. So in short, I have colored the background with dark shade and the cups or mugs I have used the similar light shade. So it will give the contrast look and it will enhance the beauty of your mugs more. So I am filling all the cavity using my handmade mugs, and I am putting my last pink one in the center. Like this, and the beautiful trinket shelf is filled with all the beautiful mugs, and it's time to attach the magnet on back side. So here I'm using B7000 glue and connecting the strong magnet and allow it to dry for a few minutes before using. So the super cute trinket mug shelf is completely ready. You can decorate your fridge and you can gift it to any tea lover. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.